Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to today's presentation. Today we will be discussing about frame relay, its features and comparison of LAN and WAN. I am Tahmid Ahmed Fardin from CSE 21st Batch Department of CSE, the Afforded Institute of IT. My ID number is 210128 and my section is C. So today we will be discussing on the LAN, frame relay and WAN. A LAN is basically a local area network, which is a network that connects computer and other devices within a limit of geographic area such as a home, school or office building. And WAN is a wide area network, telecommunication network that extends over a large geographical area, connecting multiple local area networks and enabling long-distance data communication. And frame relay. Frame relay is a packet switch data transmission technique that efficiently transmits intermittent traffic between local area networks and wide area networks. LAN. A LAN is a network of computer and devices that are connected within a limited geographic area such as home, office, school, etc. LAN allows devices to share resources like files, printers, internet connections and communicate with each other. The key characteristics of a LAN are given below. The main key characteristics of a LAN is geographic range. A LAN typically covers a small area, usually within a building or a group of nearby buildings. Number 2. High-speed connections. LAN usually offer higher speed network data transmission, typically through Ethernet cables or Wi-Fi. Number 3. Private network. Unlike wide area networks or the internet, a LAN is often privately owned and controlled by an organization or an individual. Number 4. Devices. It connects various devices like computers, printers, smartphones and network-attached storage devices. Number 5. Topology. LANs can be set up using different network topologies such as star, bus or mesh, depending on the design and purpose. Here are the major components of a LAN. A LAN has limited geographical range, a LAN has higher data transfer speeds, a LAN has low latency, and a LAN has a higher security. Now coming to WAN. A WAN is a telecommunication network that extends over a large geographic area such as a city, country or even globally. Unlike a LAN, which connects devices within a small localized area, a WAN connects multiple LANs or other networks across vast distances. WANs are typically used by businesses, governments and service providers to link branch offices, remote locations or different countries together. The key characteristics of a LAN are given below. Number 1. Geographic scope. WANs cover large geographical areas, often spanning across cities, countries or even continents. The internet is the largest example of a WAN. Number 2. High cost infrastructure. WANs often require expensive infrastructures such as leased lines, satellite links or fiber optic cables to connect geographically distant locations. Number 3. Data transmission. WANs are designed to transmit data over long distances at lower speeds compared to LANs. Through the higher speed WAN connections like fiber optics have more common. Number 4. Connectivity. A WAN can connect various LANs, enabling them to share resources and communicate with one another. It allows businesses or organizations to centralize their data, application and services, making it accessible across different locations. Number 5. Private versus public. WANs can be private, owned by an organizations, or public, like the internet. A private WAN is more often established by business to connect their offices, when public WANs provide connectivity to users globally. Moving forward, here we can see the components of WAN. The major components of WAN is large geographical coverage, high bandwidth and speed, multiple connectivity methods, and reliability and redundancy. Moving next, here we can see about frame relay. Frame relay is a type of wide area network technology that was widely used for connecting different locations over long distances. It is a packet switch technology that enables the transmission of data across networks using fixed size packets called frames. Frame relay is typically used to connect LANs to a WAN or to link different branch offices of a business, often over leased lines or public infrastructures. Frame relay components. The frame relay components are data terminal equipment (DTE), devices such as routers, computers or switches that connect to the frame relay network that typically reside at the customer's premises. Data communication equipment (DCE), the equipment provided by the service provider that connects the customer's DTE to the frame relay network, such as frame relay switch. Virtual circuits (VCS), logical connections established across the frame relay network. A PVC, permanent virtual circuit, is predefined always on connection, while an SVC, switch virtual circuit, is dynamically established and torn down as needed. Moving on forward, we can see the frame relay components here. Relay has a data layer linked protocol. It has virtual circuits. A relay is connection orientated. A relay has variable length frames. Moving next, we can find differences between LAN and WAN. So LAN stands for local area network, and WAN stands for wide area network. In LAN is a computer networking covering a small geographic area, like linking a home, office, school or group of buildings. And in WAN is a computer network that covers a broad area. In LAN it has a high speed. In WAN it has less speed. In LAN it is easier to maintain at reliability, low cost. In WAN, maintaining WAN is difficult because of its wide geographical coverage and high maintenance costs. In LAN experiences few data transmission errors. In WAN experiences more data transmission errors. In LAN data have a high data transfer rate. In WAN have a lower data transfer rate compared to LANs. In LAN, high bandwidth is available for transmission, and in LAN, it has low bandwidth is available for transmission. Thank you for being with us today's class. I am Tahmid Ahmed Fardin, wrapping up from the presentation on frame relay and its components and the differences between LAN and WAN. Thank you for watching.